Alright. Pop quiz. Hot shot. Which of these hunks was on Married with Children? If you guessed Steve Rhodes, well, you're right. And if you don't remember him, well, let's fix that. Welcome back to Dig Talk. It's us. We bring you the inside stories you want to know about TV's golden age and beyond. Today we're looking back at Married with Children. They were rude, crude, and hilariously dysfunctional. Married with Children flipped the sitcom world upside down. But after more than 3 decades since the show began, fans are asking, what happened to the cast? Where are Al, Peg, Kelly, Bud, and the rest today? Well, we've got all the answers, so let's jump in. Number 1. Ed O'Neill. Ed O'Neill made Al Bundy a legend, the grumpy shoe salesman with a gift for sarcasm. There's nothing he loves more than a good insult. And his kids and wife were his favorite targets. After Married with Children, O'Neill struck gold again with another mega hit, Modern Family. His role as Jay Pritchett earned him Emmy nominations and global fame. Now in 2025, Ed is mostly retired but still active in voiceover work, interviews, and even the occasional podcasts. He's enjoying life out of the spotlight and earning major respect as a 2-time sitcom icon. Number 2. Katey Sagal was born to play Peg Bundy, the trashy, unapologetic, polyester-clad wife of Al. She brought Peg to life with a thick Illinois accent and enough glamour to make her a sex symbol for some. Sagal showed her range playing Layla in Futurama, and took a dark turn as Gemma Teller in Sons of Anarchy, winning a Golden Globe in the process. In 2025, she's still acting, most recently appearing in The Conners, and even doing music on the side. At 70, she continues to show the world she's way more than just Peg Bundy. No. 3. Christina Applegate broke out big as Kelly Bundy, the not-so-bright but unforgettable headbanging, tight-fitting, jeans-wearing daughter of Al and Peg. Since then, she's had a long career in film and TV, including hits like Anchorman, Dead to Me, and Samantha, Who. In recent years, she revealed her battle with multiple sclerosis. Though she's stepped away from acting, she remains a strong voice for disability awareness and continues to inspire millions. Number 4. David Faustino played Bud Bundy, the awkward teen always chasing girls and trying to avoid his father's wrath. After the show, he stayed in entertainment, doing voice acting in shows like The Legend of Korra and making guest appearances on sitcoms. He's also worked behind the scenes and even released music these days. He's active in indie media and conventions, keeping the Bud legacy alive. No. 5. Amanda Bearse. Amanda Bearse played Marcy, the neighbor Al loved to roast. She was known for her big hair and even bigger personality. But she was more than just a performer. She became one of the first women to regularly direct on a network sitcom. After leaving the show in 1997, she went on to produce, direct, and teach. She's also an advocate for LGBTQ representation, using her platform to give back. Today, she's still directing, teaching, and advocating. Proud of the impact she's made both in front of and behind the camera. Number 6. David Garrison. David Garrison left Married with Children early, but not before making Steve Rhodes one of the most iconic TV stepfathers of all time. He won over audiences with his portrayal of Al, a gigolo who moved in with the Bundys after he was paroled from prison. But Garrison wanted to return to his true passion, theater. After leaving the show, he did just that, appearing in several Broadway productions and musicals across the country. He may have left the sitcom early, but he's built a steady, respected life on stage. And now it's time for some honorable mentions. Several recurring cast members also found success after the show. Ted McGinley, who played Jefferson, has worked steadily in TV and movies. And let's not forget the dog Buck, the Bundy's pet, who also became a fan favorite. After the show ended in 1997, the talented canine continued to appear in commercials and even a beer commercial alongside John Goodman. Sadly, Buck passed away in 2004. And there you have it, the incredible cast of Married with Children. What do you think? Did they live up to the legacy of their iconic characters? Are there any other shows you'd like us to cover next? Smash that like button and drop your ideas in the comments below. Subscribe for more. And until next time, keep those funky cold medleys playing. It's been me. This is Dig Talk. And remember, stay classy. Yeah, filthy animals.